So the one, it doesn't matter which one has to loop over and one has to loop under. So this one here, I'm going to take my tail and I'm going to put the loop, and my tail is underneath the circle. So it goes around and it goes underneath. The other color is you're going to make the same loop, but you're putting your tail over on top. So this tail is over and this tail is under. Lay them on top of each other. The one that's on the bottom, bring it up and through and hold it with this hand. The one that is on the top, you bring it through the bottom, through that same center, and now you have a tail in each hand, and you're just going to pull both pieces and kind of snug it tight a little bit. And now you can cut those tails off right by that knot. No need to leave a tail at all.